In this video, I'm just going to show you how I got amazing wedding photos and how you can get amazing wedding photos with just one light setup. So, if you're new on this channel, my name is Eustace, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and smash that bell icon so that when I put up my next video, you will be notified. Let's do this. So I'm going to count 3, 2, 1, and then you just do that and then you let go. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So the way I want you to do it, so you should just throw it, not here, but throw it, okay. Yeah, higher, so that, yeah, so that you can. So I wanted to start with the bride because of the dress she was putting on. It was nice, and I had an idea of just making the dress like to look like it's floating. So I had to shoot at the faster shutter speed with high speed sync to freeze that motion of the dress. My camera setting, my shutter speed was 1/1600, ISO 80, f1.6. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I was using the AD600 in a 48-inch deep parabolic octabox, and my flash power output was 1/4. And my camera was using the Sony A7III with 85mm G Master. Okay, can you do like this, and then yeah, and then you can do your hands, and I don't know what you're going to do with your hands, but you can, yeah. The sun has come out. Shutter speed 3200. So 3, 2, 1. Okay. You can do like that. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Three, 2, 1. Okay. After shooting a few photos with the bride, I decided to just shoot the couple, the bride and the groom, and we decided to change the location. My flash power output was at 1/4, and my shutter speed was at 1/500 and ISO 100 f1.4. So at this point, you can see me moving around looking for a nice angle. So don't just shoot in one direction. Don't just shoot in one angle. Move around, look for different type of angles where you can shoot from to shoot good photos, you know. Wow.
I'm not showing you. Fire. You guys are
Nice. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, give me that, give me that, give me that. Okay. Nice. Nice. Wow. Woo, 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 woo. I want you to be here. 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 Yeah. It's fire. I'm going to build you. Let me inside it. Okay. I want you to like you know what I'm talking about. Nice. Mr. Michael, I want you to go behind. Okay. Just move back, Nando. Move back here. Move back. And then dance. And then you just walk towards me. So you just walk, just walk towards me. Not that one for like, you just walk towards me and then you reach somewhere here and then you pause. Yeah. Okay, then start. Okay. Nice. Go back. So, dance. In short, just make us smile. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video or if you learned something from the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done that already, and smash that bell icon so that when I put up my next video, you will be notified. See you in the next one. Peace.